Good morning. It's 7:43, and you know, we have Aurora schools going back today. It's back to school for most kids in the next general couple of weeks, and backpacks are a necessity, but many children are carrying overloaded packs, which often lead to neck, shoulder, and back pain. So Dr. Sean Caldwell from Denver Sports Recovery is here to answer your health questions about backpacks. Good to see you.
Good
Thanks
to see
for
you,
being
Brooke.
here.
Oh, you bet.
So what are the most common problems with backpacks?
Well, and we'll show you with Brooke. I'm going to show you two. This is Brooke, and she's a
Hi,
senior
Brooke.
at Denver
I
East.
love your name. Just the best name ever.
And this is Alex. He's a 5th grader at
Hi,
Governor's
Alex.
Park Elementary School.
All
and we'll
right.
show you a couple things. One of the things is they overweigh them. You know, 80 million kids wear a backpack every day to school.
Yeah.
And the Spine Journal of Medicine did an article in 2002, or a research article, talking about that 79% of kids feel that their backpacks are too heavy. 65% feel that they get fatigue from them, and 46% get back pain from their backpacks.
Wow, okay.
And so there's a couple things. I'm going to show you Brooke's, where you can see hers is overstuffed, and she's got a tennis racket, she's got a lacrosse stick, and she's got probably 30 pounds of stuff in here. And when we want them to wear a double strap, she's wearing a single strap, so you can see where it pulls the shoulder down to keep her eyes level. It takes the neck like that, and then it creates an unlevel hip. And through over and over, if you continue to wear that, you can get a functional scoliosis and things like that.
Oh my gosh.
You can create back pain that'll last for years just from K through 12 wearing these backpacks.
Ooh.
And so so we'll show that. So here's this one. And then let me show you Alex's. I get a kick out of that. I think every parent should go through a kid's backpack once a month, just because you never know what they have in there. So what we talk about is you can see this has great style, but it doesn't have function or comfort for him. What we don't want is, we don't want the big open chamber backpack. We want it to be compartmentalized. So we get a kick out of, we figure out, what does Alex have in here? He's got this.
What? Alex,
he's got
what
a
are you
shoe.
Come on now. Why do you need that?
They're books.
The snorkel set.
You have Dave.
Minions?
Dave, so
now
a
that
minion.
makes sense.
A fish. It smells
you
in your
found
backpack.
Nemo.
Got Nemo, and he's got a huge book in here, so you can see where this becomes a problem for Alex with everything but one book for school. So I recommend parents at least once a month go through their kids' backpacks. Let me have you take this off. Now
That's
let
helpful.
me show you, I'm gonna properly fit him in a backpack. Now, what you want is you want no greater than 15% of body weight in a backpack.
Okay.
So if Brooke weighs 100 pounds, she wants 15 pounds.
Okay.
So you really want to weigh your kids and figure out how much that you can put on their backpack.
Okay.
So what you want with these backpacks is it's basically got support here, a chamber here to do that. It has either 1 to 2 inches thick straps, and you want them to double strap. You want them to have a clip, so we'll do here. Put that one there, Alex, so it fits there. You don't want it here. It's called the lumbar spine, but you don't want it sitting on the back of his butt, because it's too heavy there. And then you want it where you have either a chest strap or a hip belt, and that'll take the support off the back, and it'll keep it on the hips or across the shoulders. So it does that.
Dr. Caldwell, we got to go. I'm
All right,
so sorry.
there we go.
But this is really helpful. How do you feel, Alex? Does that feel comfortable?
Yeah, it feels comfortable.
Alex and Brooke, thank you. Dr. Caldwell, always good to see you. So guys, some good tips there. Jen, you know, they carry so much more nowadays, including the crumbs. And I had to go through every day to get those out.
And the Minions, that is something
The
I
Minions.
likely would find in my kid's backpack.
Always have a minion in your backpack, right? All right, guys.